In this video, we are going to talk about how do I start investing in stocks with little money. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. One of the best ways for beginners to start investing in the stock market is to place money in an online investment account that can be used to invest in both stocks and mutual fund stocks. With multiple brokerage accounts, you can start investing at a stock price. Investing in commodities means buying a part of a public company. These little things are called business stock, and by investing in the right products, you want the business to grow and prosper over time. When this happens, your investment will become more profitable, and other investors will be more willing to buy from you than you pay. In other words, if you decide to sell, you can profit from it. Here's a description of the how do I start investing in stocks with little money. Let's start. Have an investing strategy, especially during market volatility. It is still available for the stock market to maintain volatility. Even commodities that are currently considered safe have seen price moves. This can happen when there is uncertainty in the market and there is a short difference. Daniel Beckerman, president of Beckerman Institutional in Oakhurst, New Jersey, says, over the long run, we have seen a 10% or greater downturn in the stock market more frequently than once every 2 years, on average. You should prepare to be invested during these rough periods, Beckerman says, if you expect to do well throughout your investment time horizon. How to choose which investments to make. Beckerman says looking at business metrics can help you understand how the business and the business operate. For example, an increase in revenue or a price-to-sale ratio can give you an idea of when a particular product or company is priced in a bubble, he said. The measurement of price is important when choosing a product. Company profitability, revenue growth prospects, sound management and business performance are some of the factors that investors should consider when measuring a product's value in the market. Determines whether it is undervalued or overvalued. Beckerman said commodity prices affect investor perception of various industry segments. Invest on your own or with a financial advisor. Investing in stocks can be done in many ways, but it's important to know what type of investor you are before you start investing. Decide how to do your work with a financial expert who can guide you in managing your wealth. You can take this D approach and open an online brokerage account to manage your personal resources. If you're not sure where to start, consider opening an account with a robo-consultant. Then the robo-consultant will work hard for you at a lower cost. When you open an online brokerage account, you will be asked a series of investment questions that will help you make this investment decision. These questions include knowing your risk profile, which is the value of market volatility you can avoid by investing, and particular financial goals. Stocks for beginner investors. It would be foolish to think that you can invest regularly, but investing in well-funded products like blue-chip companies and treasury companies is generally a good idea for beginners. One of the reasons why investors choose blue chips is that they like to generate revenue. Major blue-chip companies include Microsoft, Coca-Cola Company, KO, and Procter & Gamble Company, PG. Coca-Cola, for example, generated a 2.8% share. This means that the trader can get 2.8% of his capital in next year's dividends from the current dividends. It has hovered between $48 and $61 over the past 52 weeks. Dividends can generate significant income for investors. How much money should you start investing in the stock market? Many online brokers like Betterment do not charge a $0 account balance, nor do they require a minimum to open an account. These brokers allow you to start investing wherever you want. Some also offer commercial products. This means that if you can't afford it, you don't have to buy all the shares in the company. For example, all shares of Amazon.com Incorporated, AMZN, are above $3,000 at the start of 2022, so some joint ventures have given shares of the company to the public. Discount brokers are useful for beginners who want to grow their stock market with small amounts of information for small amounts of money. However, discount brokers generally do not provide information or advice. Many brokers do not require a minimum to open an account, but some have a minimum starting price of $1,000. When to sell a stock. Knowing when to let a stock go without deciding in a panic is a key skill for savvy investors. Emotions play one of the biggest roles in our psyche with investing, Site says. Savage suggests that investors shouldn't fall in love with a stock because businesses change and companies can fail. You must do your due diligence extensively. This means creating a fundamental thesis and trusting your stock pick based on that research. And when the business changes materially, sales cut in half, executive team cuts, fraud, etc., you have to understand when to cut your losses and leave emotion out of it, Saik says. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.